Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to unlock new recipes in Hytale. Right, to unlock new recipes, first, well, open the game. And if you open any crafting menu, you'll see that you need to find the Forgotten Temple and restore memories. Here is another menu that requires you to find the Forgotten Temple. But what is it? Well, it's quite simple. Open the map by pressing the M button or going to the menu and the tab menu to go to your inventory and then go to the map. Right now, as you can see, I can spot the Forgotten Temple Gateway. Select this location and go there. Right, here we are. I arrived at the Forgotten Temple Gateway. Here, that's what it looks like. It is signatured by the statue with the blue fire in front of it. You will enter the temple. You may find some stuff to pick up. Right here, look for chests, because you can find some nice goodies here. Even if you don't find anything in the main room, the upper chamber, then you can proceed downward. Now, ahead of you, you will have to fight your first boss fight against this golem right here. And as you can see, arrows don't work on him, so buff up, and I recommend simply striking him multiple times with daggers, and you will quickly kill him. As you can see, ain't much of a boss fight if you know how to fight, or know how to cheese the fight, honestly. And now, right here, there should be some chests in this room. Oh, some iron. That's funny. No, not iron. That's a statue that was buried. Right. Anyway. And I remember that there were chests in my other worlds here, so explore on your own, please. That's so weird, where are they? Ah, there it is. Yeah. Oh, copper daggers. Nice. Well, not the best loot, but considering it's the start of the game, it's, I guess, decent. Now, approach the portal and you'll be teleported to the Forgotten Temple. It's a neutral zone and a hub for the future travel between realms. As you can see, there are a bunch of friendly creatures nearby. The animals here won't run away from you. And you will be able to find the Klops merchant and the Rootling merchant. Here you can trade with the Essence of Life, and he is still under development. So that's it, basically. And that's basically it for the things to find here. Wait, is this? No. Alright, I thought I was picking up multiple apples from there, and no. Apparently I cannot pick this apple because it's in the restricted zone of the Forgotten Temple. Never mind. As you can see, here in the center is the shrine, I would say. If you interact with it, you will unlock the memories feature. And once you open your inventory, you will be able to collect memories. What are memories? Memories are you gain memories by encountering different creatures in the game world. After encountering them, interact. Go back here, interact with the shrine, and record those memories. They will be removed from your memory inventory. As you can see, there is limited space for them. And you will be able to get following rewards. So, decorative chests, eternal seeds, more chests, more seeds, more maximum teleporters. Teleporters are really strong, so it's good to get those memories. More potions, ancient gateways, portal fragments, backpack upgrades, and harvest trophies, and other, of course, recipes along the way. So you can, for now, you can simply run around and try to record as many memories here as you are able to do. You can as you can see, you already get quite a few from simply running around. Maybe you want to get some birds by simply going to the high point, charging your daggers and jumping. But as you can see, once I come back, it just takes a while. I'll be able to record more memories. And I unlocked the decorative chests and eternal seeds. Now, if I were to come back to my base, you would see that I unlocked new recipes. Right, now I'm back at my base, and I can open the furniture workbench, and as you can see, I unlocked some chest recipes. As I said at the start, this is not that remarkable, but you can unlock. Let me show you. Mainly things in the armorer workbench. Not armorer, I'm sorry, farmer workbench. Right here. As you can see. And, well, that's about it. One more thing. There are also blueprints that you can purchase from merchants with their respective currency. So, you seen those merchants back at the Forgotten Temple. You can go to them to one of them. The elf, the tree villager mob, and trade with them for the blueprints. They can also be found, if I'm not mistaken, at groves that look like this on the map. And also the traders also spawn there, so you can go to one of them to simply purchase a blueprint. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.